The latest erlc update has brought us a huge feature for private servers, being the new map editor pack. But how do you use it? In today's quick video, we are going to go over exactly that, as well as some examples and gameplay on this feature. Start by making your way into the server settings before scrolling all the way to the bottom until you see the Map Editor tab. Click Edit, and you will see this menu pop up to your left. We are going to create a new layout, which is essentially a single creation, like a construction site. Name the layout, whatever you want it to be called. But for this, we are just going to name ours Tutorial. Now that's out the way, click the Edit Props button to see your menu of props you can use. There isn't any new props that weren't in the game or map already, but hopefully we can see some new props in the future. The equipment is still interactive. For example, the billboards still display private server ads, and you can sit on things like chairs, tents, bus stops, and more. By clicking on a prop with the editor open, you can move and/or delete them like shown. When moving them, it will look like you are placing another, but just place the new one wherever you want it to move, and you're sorted. For the sake of the video, we are going to make a really quick and simple construction build by Rick and Johns just to showcase the editor in action. The only downside with the new editor is that props aren't collidable, meaning you will phase straight through your builds and won't be able to climb up things like scaffolding. Just going to speed this up quickly so we can move on to the rest of the new editor. While filming this, I did find out that you are randomly restricted to where you can place things, but there's no official boundary to it, which was a bit odd. And just like that, we have a simple construction build for a private server or set. On your menu, you will see two buttons, a load and unload. Click Unload to temporarily remove the build, and then Load to bring it back. This won't delete your build. Just like the ELS shareable code, you can generate a shareable code for your build, which you can share to other people. PRC have added a new channel where you can share and discover people's builds, so let's check some out and test it. Okay, so I've chose a random car meet build in Springfield, which can display a total of 24 cars. So let's check this out. Paste the shareable code into the top and then click Load to load the build in. Let's drive over to Springfield and check this out. Obviously, they load at the location they were originally built at. And surprisingly, it worked. No clue why the billboard is glitching out, but overall the build looks pretty solid. Again, the only downside with this update is you phase through every object, which for things like this can really ruin it. That wraps up today's quick tutorial. Like and comment if you want to see a full video rating some of the builds from the new PRC channel.